Today's recipe is lasagna with meat sauce. We're going to start by making our meat sauce, so we're going to add a splash of olive oil to our pan and we're going to heat that up over medium heat. Please see the full recipe in the description down below. Then we're going to add our onion, and our garlic. Lots of garlic. And we're going to saute this until it gets softened. Then we're going to add our ground beef, and we're going to add our Italian sausage. And we are going to just brown this slightly and crumbling it up as we are stirring. Then we're going to add our crushed tomatoes. You can use pureed tomatoes as well. Chicken broth. You can also use beef broth. Dried oregano, an Italian seasoning, and we're going to stir this all up and we're going to heat this all through. Add some salt. And pepper. And you can add as much as you prefer. All right, now once this is heated, we're going to make our cheese sauce, which is some eggs that we're going to whisk together. Then we're going to add a tub of ricotta cheese. Stir that until it's incorporated. Add some mozzarella cheese. And some heavy cream. And we're going to stir this all together. And then we're going to assemble our lasagna. So spray the bottom of your 9x13 pan and add around 2 cups of meat sauce to the bottom. Spread that evenly on the bottom of your pan. And then we're going to add our ready-cooked lasagna noodles. You don't have to cook these noodles before putting them in. They'll cook as this lasagna is baking. Then we're going to add half of our cheese sauce. And we'll spread that over our noodles. Then we're going to add another layer of noodles. Then we're going to add our meat sauce, spreading that over the noodles. Another layer of noodles. Then the remaining of our cheese sauce. Sprinkle a little bit of parmesan cheese. Add the last layer of noodles. And top it off with the meat sauce. And then we're going to cover that up with some mozzarella cheese. And some parmesan cheese. And then cover it with foil. I like using the non-stick foil because then you don't need to spray it. Cover it tightly. Put it on a baking sheet and bake it for about an hour at 375 degrees. Then take the foil off and bake for another 15 minutes till the top browns. All done. If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.